just pulled this panel out. They're a pain to get out because they have folds in the top, and they have folds in this bit up here, and this one goes up and then hooks underneath, which is obviously what they've done to save having to have mouldings put on it. So we're just going to go to Ulrich Aluminium and see if they can replicate this type of panel. We're going to get 3 of them, 2400 long for the other side, and we're going to get a front panel and a back panel.
Alright.
The good thing is this is mint underneath.
The styrofoam looks really nice, and
Yeah, everything's very, very tidy.
so that's a panel there. That's pretty good.
Yes, it is. Yep. So we'll leave it at that, and tomorrow we'll go see the aluminium people, see if they can make something up for us. We'll have to get them to make the rears as well, which we'll just try this on the rear. It should be the same.
Oh wow!
It is.
Exactly
So
the
the rear
same.
one is exactly the same,
Except it doesn't have the folds in it.
but it doesn't have the ridges in it. So we'll just get them to do the rear one the same, but without any ridges in it.
Alright.
Because this one's punched in here.
As you can see.
And we've really got to take this panel off, which we might even do now, and see what the damage is behind it.
I mean, it would probably be a really long video, so.
Let's make it 2.
Huh?
Make it 2 videos. So, what we might do is we may even look at popping this rear panel off and seeing what's under there in terms of damage. Right, let's get into it. Done.
Okay, so we'll do that in the next video. So if you guys liked it, like and subscribe. That would be good. I'll see you in the next video. See ya. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm just taking the number plate. We're gonna be taking this panel off, Dad? We're gonna be taking this back panel off from this vid.
Yeah, I'll come back and get those ones. Just as long as we can drill the middles out.
Taking this off now, this molding. Gee, this is
Pop
gonna.
that moulding off, and then hopefully,
Where'd you get to?
hopefully the back panel will come off.
I just take the drink plate off. Look at this. 8 4 Just going like that. So we're taking the back panel off now. Last episode we took the other panel off.
Please tell me this doesn't have to be peeled back and there's rivets under it. That would be annoying.
So what are we doing now? Just
Trying to figure out how this rear panel comes off.
so we're just gonna take this. We're gonna try to take this off. Dad.
Pull that hoist up a bit there. Yeah. It's a definite fighter, this Caravan.
Okay, I'll let you know when we've got it off. This panel off, I think. That panel off to access the window. Cut this off. And I'll start recording again when
I'm not sure if this one.
he's officially gotten it off.
Come over, can you go to the other side here? Come over there and just hold it.
You. Back panel.
Down, 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 down.
What the hell is that?
Come down.
You.
Okay, so it is tucked in there.
Okay.
I just now pushed it off then.
Still haven't officially got it
No,
off.
don't push it straight down because you're actually breaking it. Oh,
You alright?
it's a slide out thing. Please don't try and push it up.
Look at this.
Yeah, I'll show you. Where's
So you
my-
got it
can I
out?
see that big one photo
Got
there,
permission to
please?
get out. Mud inside. So what we're doing is pushing out the panel so I can set this one free. Good.
Is there anything?
Like this.
Something holding it right there.
It's probably rivets again.
It's not rivets.
It's right just
Come down.
Hey,
Come
John.
down, 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 down. I want to go
sorry about the bad
below
recording.
that
Can you
leg.
find
Can
it?
you get it below that leg? That'll do.
You go.
Okay. So it comes up under this thing here, right?
Oh, no. Up on top of it, you mean?
No, up underneath. This slides inside it. Same as the ones on your Caravan.
Really? Alright, Dad. So
Okay, so let's go around by the spray booth.
there's the panel. Looks pretty mint inside, eh?
Hiya! This wire wasn't doing much good, was it?
Right, can you put the hoist up, please?
So
So here's our damage here.
so what have we done, Dad?
Well, what we're doing... Yeah, is... See this thing here is all bent in?
Mhm.
And if you have a look at that one over there, it's nice and straight. Now
Right.
this is where it got damaged in the accident, right?
Look.
Now this actually is riveted on.
Again.
Okay, so if we take that off, I'm picking it's just a matter of pulling this framing out.
There's some writing on here.
Yeah, 32 by 32 by 160 degrees. Look how immaculate all this framing is.
Do you reckon we should leave it this till tomorrow or what?
We'll just pop this off so we can see what we've got, eh?
What is that? Oh, there's a big ass spider on that. There we go. Here we go again with the rivets. Oh, these are nice and easy. How?
No, it's probably under pressure. that can easily be sorted out, or another one the same.
That's a bit.
Procured. It's bent.
That's a dead spot.
Okay, so
So you want to put that on the van?
G'day, g'day. My name's
leave it there for
Henry.
now. This is a bit of a. This is a bit of.
So that's what it's like underneath. Looks pretty good.
This is a learning process. This bit.
Is it starting to there?
Right, that can
The
go in
wood.
there.
The wood looks really nice, eh?
Yeah.
Look at the wood. It's mint. Beautiful. Good place.
Now what we have to do.
Let's get a better angle.
Just find a way to pull that straight without damaging that rear panel.
What rear panel? The wood?
Because I don't want to take that out if I can avoid it.
Yeah, cause this is just from the Caravan, eh?
But I can't lever against it.
Because it'll break it. Because wood's quite weak. Well, that kind of wood is.
You videoing now?
I wonder if my stud welder would work on this.
Your presence down, I would.
Yeah, but that's bowed in. So it needs to be pulled out, you know.
Whoa. What up there?
Although, is that riveted on? Oh, it is too.
It is riveted. So you just unscrew it.
Spot welded up there, isn't it?
Yeah, it does look spot welded up there. How'd that go?
Get the spanner. Start on here. Come up.
So just compare that. So just compare that. It's basically gone. So it's like this. It's going like that.
Throw it away, everyone.
That's below.
This one. That's a good idea. Big job, really?
Nah.
I mean, so we didn't have to take the back window out after all that.
Tail lights. Lights.
Which we did, it's still in there, but damn. We're just straightening it out.
So the folks.
I'm probably just trying to pull the dents out. I've deleted it.
Look at the camera when you...
So we have this thing called a stud welder. So you weld little pins to this. And you just like slide a hammer, which is this, where that slides up and down. So that's a good hammer, which you put onto that stuff, screw it on, and then I'll show you. They'll just let time. We'll show you what they use.
Ready?
Yep. There you go. So that welds it on there.
Yep.
Which these are really easy to take off. You just clip them with like side cutters or something. We'll cut them off. You want me to hold them?
It's magnetic on the top.
Is it? That's cool. That's so cool. So it's magnetic.
Yeah.
Magnetic. See that just welds on. That sparked a bit. So this is used to pull out dents
Yeah, in cars.
in cars, but we're using it for a Caravan.
Yeah, but we're using more substantial pins.
What does that mean? Oh, that looks so cool. What does substantial pins mean?
Stronger.
Oh, stronger. Show you what I use. sad that kind of came off.
That's okay. Getting a bit of a messy work area here.
That's part of the gun.
It's okay. It's also probably really, really hot.
Yeah, thinking that. Okay, so now we'll show you what to use. So those are all the pins just ready. There you go. There's the slide hammer. I don't know what to call it. And that just screws on tight onto there. And that should pull out some of the dents. It's very loud. You can see it moving.
You see it moving?
Yeah, you see it moving, so you know it's working. A very, very awesome tool from America. This was from America, right?
Yep. Some earmuffs on actually.
Put some earmuffs on. Really good.
What do you want it to run or warm?
Oh, I'd get a cold fizzy if there's one there.
Alright, you guys. It's getting really loud.
Cold fizzy drink if there's one
You
there.
guys know how it works, so yeah.
Nothing here.
Okay, there'll be one.